You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this interesting word. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll definitely want to learn more. Processed. That's British English pronunciation. Processed. Yes, note that there is a T sound at the end. The stress is on the first syllable, the pro syllable. The American English pronunciation is more as processed. Alright, the Americans usually pronounce it with a more open ah sound. Processed, American English pronunciation versus processed, British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.